Man believed to be of unsound mind, fatally shot after killing his mother in Portmore.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A man believed to be of unsound mind killed his mother in St. Catherine on a Tuesday morning. The man, identified as 22-year-old Khaleel Bent, was then fatally shot by a security guard in a separate incident. Information indicate that after attacking his mother, 46-year-old Omega Bent, Khaleel, who was naked, was walking along a roadway in the vicinity of the Phoenix Park community where he approached a security guard, who was sitting in his white Toyota Succeed motorcar near a guardhouse located in the community. Bent reportedly threatened to kill the security guard and then proceeded to smash the vehicle's windscreen. The security guard managed to escape from the car through a back door. It is reported that Bent then entered the car and drove away. He subsequently crashed into a Toyota Hiace bus that was being driven along the road. It is reported that following the attack on the security guard, he managed to alert his colleagues. It is further reported that about 1:30 a.m., another security guard who responded encountered Bent and opened gunfire in his direction. Khaleel was later discovered lying on his back with what appeared to be gunshot wounds to his upper body. He was taken to the Spanish Town Hospital where he was pronounced dead. Approximately 5:30 on Tuesday morning, residents in Greater Portmore noticed that the grill and door to Khaleel's home was open and made checks at the premises. His mother, who reportedly had a wound to the head, was found dead inside the house. Meanwhile, sources close to the investigation said that for the past 2 weeks, Khaleel was reportedly displaying violent behavior. The St. Catherine South Police are investigating the incident.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!